Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're at your Lenovo. First, confirm a working internet connection and have a recovery email or phone nearby. Once done, open Settings, Accounts, your info, and choose to sign in with a Microsoft account. Make sure to pick a memorable username, then create a strong password with at least 12 characters, numbers, and symbols. This protects OneDrive and Windows Sync. If you prefer, you can create a new Microsoft account instead. Follow the on-screen prompts and enter the recovery contact. Once you've entered your account info, Microsoft will ask you to verify ownership. A 6-digit code arrives via the recovery method you chose. Enter it promptly. After verification, enable two-step verification for stronger security and add alternative recovery options because that prevents lockouts. Make sure to configure Sign in Preferences, Windows Hello Face or PIN for faster access, and only check Keep Me Signed In on your personal Lenovo. These steps lock in security while keeping everyday access convenient. Finish by confirming sync settings so OneDrive, Edge, and Windows settings back up automatically. Go to Settings, Accounts, sync your settings, and toggle what you want. Then check Windows Update and install any pending updates, and restart your Lenovo to finalize account integration. If something fails, don't panic. Run the network troubleshooter, verify the recovery contact, or use the Microsoft account recovery flow. If verification codes don't arrive, check spam, unblock messages, and retry after 5 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.